Hi everybody, this is Crystal. I'm just going to do a quick video of a yarn deal that I saw today, and I thought it was a very, very good deal, and I thought I would let you guys in on it. So I usually buy this from the Wool Warehouse, which is based in the UK, because you can't generally find it within the United States. But do you guys remember me opening this? Hey Phil, Bonanza. It's at Webs or yarn.com. It's both the same. They have it on closeout, so it's actually a very good deal. If you're interested in it, I know a lot of people had asked me about it before when I purchased it. It's I'll read about it here in case you don't know real quick. It's 400 grams, a 100% acrylic, 647 yards of a bulky 5. It's very soft. I have a blanket made out of this color. It's very, very pretty. Very scarfable and very squishy. So normally they run in between $14 and $16 a ball, I believe, depending on where you go. Webb's has them for $8.49, and that's a closeout deal, and that is a good deal. They have 5 of the 8 colors that they sell on closeout. So I say hit them up because this is a killer deal for this yarn. $8.49, and that's, you know, that's a nice bulky 5. And it feels good. You can see it worked up on my channel. Like I said, I made a blanket with it. But like I said, they have 5 of the 8 colors available on closeout. So remember, I'm not affiliated with Webs. Just sharing a good deal because I saw this morning. They sent me an email because I'm always signed up to their mailing list. So I get emails when they have closeouts. And I'm like, that's a good deal for that yarn. Because it's squishy soft. So, if you got the means, you should give it a go. It's a good deal. I bought a couple more. Thanks, everybody. Remember, link below, webs.com or yarn.com. Either one of those. Go to their closeout section, and you'll see that. They have some other nice ones, too, from Sidar. But that one is definitely worth what they are asking. Bye, guys.